Namaste and welcome back to Half Moon. Love to have you guys here on my YouTube channel, and if you haven't met before, I'm Juliana. Alright, today I have prepared a lovely morning gentle stretch. It's going to be around 15 minutes for those days when you just wake up, you feel a bit stiff, you want to move your body and you don't have too much time. This is the perfect practice for you. Okay, we're gonna get started lying down in butterfly posture. So bringing the soles of the feet together. You're also going to cactus your arms. Just take a couple of expansive breaths. Big inhale through the nose. And release it through the mouth. Again, a few more times, just like that. And release, exhale. Again, inhale. Exhale. Good, and gently you're gonna start closing your knees, give a big stretch. Hug your knees to your chest and give yourself a big hug. That's what I meant. Good, and we're going to plant the left foot and we're gonna take happy baby with the right leg. So you're gonna catch the outer edge of your right foot. Nice, this could feel quite strong. If this is the case, you just stay here. Otherwise, you can extend the left leg out. We take around 5 breaths here. Good, allowing the hips to open, the hamstrings to start stretching gently. Your breath is super soft and super relaxed. Good, you're gonna take one more breath here. And we're going to go on to a nice supine twist, bringing the right leg across the body. Extend the right shoulder, the right arm, the right shoulder stays down. So don't worry if the knee doesn't touch the ground, you can prop it up with your fist. You can put a little cushion. You take 5 gentle breaths. Nice, and make your way to center. Plant the right foot. And now we go half happy baby. Nice. Option to keep the right knee bent, or you can extend the right leg out, whatever you prefer. We stay for 5 breaths. And allowing your breath to become expansive and to take space in your body. Every breath is an opportunity to let go of tension and stress stored in your hips, in your legs, in your shoulders, your neck. Good, one more breath in here. And we take a supine twist, mindfully. The left shoulder stays on the ground. Good. 3 more breaths. Nice, and we come back to the middle. And we all have happy baby. Full happy baby, and we move from side to side, making sure we're pressing the sacrum on the floor. You move one side to the other. Good, and here we can start trying to extend one leg and bend the other. Extend one leg, bend the other. And eventually see if you can maybe extend both of your legs. This one feels too strong, you can maybe support your legs holding from the calf muscle. Good, and eventually hug the knees to your chest. Good, and we're gonna rock back and forth, back and forth. Oh, great, and you're gonna make your way to a tabletop. Good, from here we're gonna take some classic cat-cows, dropping your belly, looking up towards the sky. Exhale. And continue, one breath per movement. This is one of the best movements you can do in the morning to wake up your spine and to get some energy flowing through all your body. This one is a daily asana for me. Continue. Good, and from tabletop, you're gonna press the left hand in front of you, extend the right arm to the sky, lengthen, and we're gonna thread the needle. Good, and keep the right shoulder down. Good. And here you have the option to extend the left arm in front of you. An option to also extend the left leg. Keep the foot connected to the ground. The core starts to become active so you don't actually flip here. Good, you're gonna take 3 more breaths. And gently lower the knee, extend the right arm to the sky, and place it back down. Good, other side, lengthen, left arm reaches up. Thread the needle. An option again to extend the right arm forward and also to extend the right leg back. Good, imagine you rotating your chest all the way towards the sky. Three more long breaths. Good, and release down. And we're going to extend the left arm all the way towards the sky. And release it back down. Beautiful. From here, we're going to make our way to downward facing dog. And we're going to walk our dog. Start bringing movement to the legs, waking up the hamstrings. And we're going to walk the feet forward towards the hands. And we're going to find ragdoll, so catch opposite elbows and hang in here. For the morning, especially if you need to bend the knees a little bit, feel free to do so, that's fine. And imagine that the top of your head touches the ground. And release. Good, you're gonna come to a halfway. You're gonna interlace the hands behind you, open your chest, lengthen here. And we're gonna bring the arms above head. Take a couple of breaths. Also very normal to have stiff shoulders in the morning. Good, come to a halfway lift and release it back down. Good, you're gonna open your feet a little bit more and you're gonna lower the hips down. Malasana yogi squat. Great posture for the morning, also really good for your digestive system. 3 big breaths here. Good. We're going to extend the arms all the way up to the sky, taking an inhale. Then bring the energy to center. Exhale, lower Malasana. Again, reach up, inhale. Sit low, exhale. Couple more. And down. One more. And low. Beautiful. Lower the left hand down and keep connecting your tricep against your inner leg. And we're going to extend the right arm to the sky into a nice big stretch. You can stay here or you can take a bind at the back if that's available for you. And we're going to come back to center. Good, let's do that on the other side. Same amount of awareness, you're still breathing nice and slowly. Inhale, reach. Exhale, bind or stay. Good, trying to open up your chest, not closing. And return to center. Good, now you're going to sit down and we're going to take a forward fold, Paschimottanasana. So nice for the morning, this one. Again, don't push too hard if your hamstrings still feel quite tight. From here, we're going to take an inhale and we're going to reach forward on the out breath. Good, and try not to close your chest. Actually broaden the collarbones. Imagine you projecting the energy of your heart forward. Keep your feet active in dorsiflexion. You'll feel that a little bit more behind your legs. Good, and find your edge. And we're going to spend 5 breaths there. Oh, that feels nice. And gently we come back. Good. Now you're going to plant the feet on the ground. And we're going to take some windshield wipers, moving your legs from side to side. Good. Last stretch. Seated pigeon, bringing the right foot towards the left thigh. And here, come as close as possible towards the leg. Oh, and take a couple of breaths here. Nice stretch here for the outer hips, for the glutes. Nice. And come back. Swap sides mindfully. Good. Keeping the left foot nice and active. Big inhale. And find your edge. Walking yourself towards the right foot. Oh, release. Beautiful butterfly. Legs, bring the feet together into your butterfly. Lengthen your chest. Take an inhale. And gently rounding up the spine. And see if you can bring the head closer towards the floor. Maybe gently you press your legs to the floor. And you come back up. Nice, close your legs. And take this moment to sit up on a comfortable meditative seat. Spending the last minute of our practice just being aware of our breath, being fully present. Noticing how you feel after just 15 minutes of movement. Releasing tension or discomfort with every exhale. Five more long breaths here. we're gonna join the hands together in front of the heart. Set an intention for your day ahead today. How do you want to show up for the world today? How would you like to feel? And every time you find yourself being distracted, lost in thought, come back to this intention and take a couple of big breaths. Let's chant an Om together to finish up the practice. Empty the breath. Breathe in for Om. Thank you all. Namaste. Hope you enjoyed this short morning practice. Let me know down below in the comments how you felt. I felt so much more awake and so much more relaxed. Also, there is a couple more yoga practices similar to these ones. You can find them up here. If you like to practice more of my morning flows, there is some of them gentle, some of them a bit more dynamic. Right, also if you enjoyed today's practice, you really support me by subscribing to my channel. That would be lovely, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you, namaste.